It's over 95 degrees outside and my old fan just burned out. Buying a new one? Too boring. So I decided to build my own using stuff I found around the house. No soldering, no experience. Literally. And honestly, it turned out more powerful than I expected. Watch till the end, you'll want to make one too. Here's what you'll need for the project. A DVD disc, this will be our fan blade. A plastic lid to make the fan hub. A 5-volt motor, you can find one in an old toy, CD drive, or game controller. A USB connector with wires from an old computer mouse or keyboard. A wooden block for the fan body. Let's start with making the fan blade. Cut the DVD disc in half. It's pretty easy. This makes it lighter and easier to work with. Take the plastic lid and punch a hole in the center. Then cut out the inner part of the lid. This will be the hub for the fan blade. Glue the hub onto the DVD piece. Next, mark and cut the fan blade shape you want. Using a lighter, gently heat the blade and bend the fan blades to the right angle. The bigger the angle, the stronger the airflow. Now, let's prepare the motor. I used a motor like the one shown on screen. I took mine from an old game controller with a vibration motor. They usually have 2 of them. Grab a USB cable from an old mouse, cut the length you need, and strip down to just the power wires. Connect these to the motor so the shaft spins the right way. Mine spins counterclockwise, which is important for proper airflow. Moving on to the fan body. Take a wooden block with a square cross-section, measure and cut it to size. Follow the steps in the video, you'll see why. On one side, carve a groove for the wires and drill a couple of mounting holes. Take a smaller square piece and drill a hole in the center for the motor shaft. Join both pieces together to form the body. Now paint the body and the fan blade if you want. This makes them look better and last longer. Attach the motor to the body using hot glue. Add a plastic zip tie for extra support. This holds it pretty firmly. And secure the wires with blue electrical tape. Fix the fan blade onto the motor shaft snugly. Plug the fan into a USB port or power bank and turn it on. The motor spins and you get a nice cool breeze. That's it. If you like this project, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see next in a DIY. Thanks for watching. See you next time.